How's it going, everybody? Brandon Vincent here with eXp Realty, your Quispamsis real estate agent. I am here right now at an absolute gem. This property is a treat. Check this out behind me. This place is absolutely huge. We're here right now at 5 Neck Road, and this is in the Meenan Cove area in Quispamsis. And this is a highly desirable area, and I'm going to show you why. It's because we have some amazing views here of the Kennebecasis River. Look at that. Looking all the way down behind me, this goes on, and you're getting the sunset every single evening from every window facing the water. And that's just one reason this home is super special. Another one is because of its sheer size. This is a 2.5-story home with 7 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and over 4,000 square feet. This place is absolutely huge. So this is perfect for any investors or even a family looking to live multi-generationally. Come on inside with me. Let's check this home out. It is not going to last long. Let's go. If you have any questions, my number is going to be in the links. Let me know, okay? Let's go inside.
Bye.